Okay, this YouTube video is to help support your understanding of the school-wide PBIS assignment. So you will do some of this on your own as an individual and then some of this in groups. Now I tried to arrange you in groups somewhat geographically because I know some of us learn best when we're able to meet with people and share ideas in person and not just online. Now it's not a requirement. You do not have to meet in person, but hopefully grouping you this way gives you more of an option than doing it all on your own and in all different areas of the state. So I have up the assignment description. If you need to pause this right now and go get the assignment description for the school-wide PBIS project, please do so. But I'm going to go over that real quickly here. So the first part is talking about professional liability insurance. This is if you are actually going into a school, which this is because this is during a summer course, most likely none of you need to do that. But it's also just good to know that in the future you will need this professional liability insurance. You should basically already have it being a part of an education program anyways, but just good to check into. So moving right along to the individual written portion. You are going to take your school's plan, your discipline plan that you've located, whether it's the school you actually teach at or have taught at, or you've had to go out and find one somewhere else. You're going to take that and compare and contrast it with the school-wide PBIS model. So now you have the PBIS model from the PBIS.org website, and you also have the PowerPoints from today, from week 1, and you have some other video clips to support your understanding of the school-wide PBIS model. So you're going to do a brief description of the school demographics. Please use a pseudonym. Then a small summary of the strengths of this plan, and then the needs of this plan, all the while you're comparing it to the school-wide PBIS. So the strength might be rules and expectations are posted in every classroom. That's a strength because school-wide PBIS model says rules and expectations need to be in every class, okay? So you do the same thing with the needs, and then you're going to try to prioritize those in accord with best practice, okay? Now make sure you have a rationale for each. It's not your opinion for why the needs are prioritized, but it's based on what's best practice. Go back to the school-wide PBIS model and note, okay, these are the top 5 priorities in this model. They match up with some of these needs from the school. That's why I prioritize them this way. And then you're going to make 3 to 5 recommendations for how school personnel could go about achieving or improving on these needs, okay, and using what you learned. So that's a lot of the extra material that's been posted for week 1. Then you're going to submit that in the school-wide discipline plan assignment, and it says individual section and Canvas. Then you'll arrange a time to meet with your group members that are assigned to you, share what you've done. So better off having most of that individual portion done. Doesn't have to be exactly what you're going to submit online, but have all your notes together, all your comparisons and your contrasting notes together. And then identify one group member that can share via video. So you can use Canvas conferences to record your meetings. You can all meet on a conference, record that, and only one person needs to upload it. You can use other recording devices that you see fit. If you need help, Google it first. See me. How do you record group conversations? And then, yeah, you're going to follow the grading rubric. So that will be posted as soon as possible in Canvas. All right, enjoy. If you have any questions, let me know.